Nicole, what goes on in your head?
What?
What goes on in your head?
When?
When you're in a good mood, what goes on in your head? Well, you just told us. Don't be shy.
No, that's not when I'm in a good mood.
That's when you're in a bad mood?
No, that's when I flake out.
What happens? Birds?
Little birds in sunshine. Like the little birds are flying around. They're like, tweet, 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 tweet.
Okay.
Like in a Disney movie, you know?
Like Cinderella.
Yeah.
They make you dress.
No, they just fly around in my head. They don't do anything else.
What happens if you're in a bad mood?
I don't know. Maybe I just like black out or something.
You black out? How does that look?
Black?
No, when you black out, what do?
I don't know.
What do you do when you get mad?
Earlier.
What do you do when you get mad?
I fart. A lot.
And bubbles come out.
And bubbles come out.
Right?
Yeah.
What did I say that I
But you have
get
what?
mad?
You have to ask me what happens when I'm in a good mood.
What happens when you're in a good mood?
I fart. A lot.
You're in a good mood a lot.
I'm kidding, I don't.
What are you trying to say?
When I'm in a good mood, I imagine that I'm Madonna. No, I don't do that anymore. When I'm in a good mood.
And then they waited for
Ooga!
Anyway, so before we got distracted by all that, we were just talking about what we do when we're in a good mood and in a bad mood.
And when we flake out.
And when we flake out.
When I flake out, it's like, you know, it's like when you drink your Bong water or something, and then you're just kind of like.
You drink your toilet water? What's that? What's Bong water? Is that what the young kids are calling it?
Ask your mom. Your mom.
They're reopening the zip line on Friday.
They are?
They are. We have to zip line again. But I'm not waiting 6 hours.
Like today when I was trying to make.
When you were trying to make.
I can't walk and talk at the same time. Ew.
What?
Nasty.
I'm not zooming into that.
Like a finger?
Ooh, like a camel. There's a camel in front of it.
I told you I'm not zooming into that.